Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this pixel dissolve effect in UE5 material, and we have some parameters like how the scale of pixels, like the color boost of the edge, like the panning of this. We can pan this, so we can put it here, then we can dissolve it like this. So this material is already created, but I will create it again for you so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So you can see I have this parameter, and this first is, see, this is contrast, so this is defining the thickness of this edge. Like if I'm decreasing this, you can see the thickness of these pixels, this ring. If I increase it, it will just 1 pixel. Okay, then this is the dissolve parameter. Then we have the edge boost. We can make it 0 or make it high intensity like this, but I like this much. Okay, then this is the pixel size. If you increase it too much, it will be just a ring, but if you decrease it, it will be good pixels. Then this XY is just to offset it X on Y. Okay, and this is here in my R&D folder, and even I didn't rename it, but I will create it again. So I'll create a new folder, test. Okay, in here I will just close these all things. So I'll create a material M dissolve, and I need a texture, so I'll take a texture like leaf. We have this, we can take any texture, but let's use this one for now. Okay, so in this leaf we have a base color and we have also opacity, so I'll use this mask. Okay, now you have to do everything the same way what you do to erode in material. Just one thing that will make your alpha a pixel thing. So like if you